Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're past the 78%, but we're sitting right at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the top of wave B. If this is a running pattern, like a running flat, then it definitely could make a higher low compared to the A, and it definitely could break structure on sort of time frames and continue the uptrend. But we definitely don't want to assume that that is going to happen because it definitely could also end up making an expanding flat, which I would target the 161, 178 for an expanding flat. There's definitely no engulfing up. There's no break of structure up. There's no reason to say yet that the downtrend is complete. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, my most recent structure now is right here because that's the last swing high before we had a new swing low. So anything that happens in between here and here likely could just be a pullback to this move down. So if it does end up making some sort of a three-way pattern up, if it does make a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would still be looking for shorts unless we go all the way up here and break structure. And even if it does go up there and break structure, I wouldn't go long until after the break of structure. Then I would wait more for the pullback that would come after the break of structure, and then I would go long at the end of the pullback. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.